Hi there, I'm Syed from Linux First, and today I'm going to do an unboxing and overview of Xiaomi Mi Selfie Stick and monopod. You can see the Xiaomi Mi logo over here, so now let's unbox it. Here's a little box here. I think this is for Bluetooth device because this stick comes with a Bluetooth device, and so you can take selfies or take videos with this device. So let's open it and see what we got there. So the Bluetooth remote is included in the package, and this is a nice little Bluetooth remote, and you can see there's a Mi logo over here and a button. You can use this button as a power button, and also you can use this button for taking selfies or taking videos. So over down here you can see a micro USB port here, and so you don't need to buy a battery for it. You can charge it using your Android charger, micro USB charger. So that's mean you don't need to waste your money buying batteries. You can charge it, recharge it, and as far I know, you can take almost 25,000 pictures after charging this device for one time. So now let's see what else we have here. So there's the stick. Let's keep it and see what else we have here. We have a card, and there's Chinese everywhere, so it's better I skip it. This is the stick, and I got the black version. It's looking very good. The build quality looks very good and very premium to me, and it's plastic all over here, and I think there's a sponge or rubber. The size of this thing is very little, and it's so little that you can put it into your pocket, and this is the thing that I like of that stick very much. There's a place for the Bluetooth device, although you don't need to put it here to take selfies. You can take selfies from anywhere. And as far I know, this Bluetooth device, the range of this Bluetooth device is 100 meters. That's mean you can take selfies within 100 meters of your phone.
The cool thing is, if I close it, all the way close it, it become almost 3 or 4 inch. And if I extend it, then it's become 10 to 12 inch. I can move it to 360 degrees. For this, I can insert any size phone here. I can use this bigger screen phone also. And this thing is not only a selfie stick, but it also a tripod. So you can use this for recording videos or video conversation, for recording videos for YouTube or something, and you can just simply set up your camera, then record your video.
So now let's set up the Bluetooth device. To do that, you need to open the Bluetooth device, and to do that you need to press the button and hold it for a couple moments, and then it will open your Bluetooth device. And after then you need to connect it with your phone. So just open your Bluetooth from your phone and then search for this device, and you will see that XMZPG here, and you need to connect it with that and just connect it. So after connecting that thing, you can take selfies or videos with that Bluetooth device. So let's try it. So you can see I can take picture with this device, and you can do this thing within this Bluetooth range. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you didn't subscribe yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And thank you guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.